the Bentley Flying Spur Mulliner. In stunning Glacier white stands as a masterpiece of luxury and performance. This isn't just a car, it's an experience crafted to elevate your senses and redefine elegance. 035. The exterior gleams with sophistication. Its Glacier white paintwork reflects light like a diamond, catching every eye on the road. Hand-polished chrome accents and signature Mulliner badging add exclusivity, while the jewel-like headlights exude modern artistry. Every curve speaks of precision engineering and timeless design. 055. Step inside, and you're greeted by opulence. The cabin is a sanctuary of handcrafted details, diamond-quilted leather seats, grand black veneers, and illuminated tread plates bearing the Mulliner logo. Each stitch, each surface, tells a story of unparalleled craftsmanship. With customizable options, this is personalization at its finest. And to 120. Under the hood lies power that matches its beauty. A formidable W12 engine delivering breathtaking acceleration and effortless refinement. Whether cruising through city streets or gliding along open highways, the Flying Spur Mulliner offers a symphony of performance and comfort. Adaptive air suspension ensures a ride so smooth it feels like floating. 145. Technology meets tradition in this marvel. From the state-of-the-art infotainment system to mood lighting that transforms the ambiance, innovation blends seamlessly with heritage. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about savoring every moment of the journey. 212. The Bentley Flying Spur Mulliner, in Glacier white, isn't merely a vehicle, it's a statement, a symbol of success, taste, and ambition. If you seek the extraordinary, look no further. Experience the allure of Mulliner, where dreams take shape. Are you ready to own the road? End voiceover.